Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Alex. Make sure you subscribe. I try to post just about every day, and you don't want to miss out. I am here this evening with a gentle flow, restorative, beginner friendly, relaxing. Let's begin. Lie down on your mat, on your back. Right away, bring the knees into the chest. And find a little bit of movement, just some comfort. You can close the eyes. Bring yourself to the present moment. Bring yourself to this breath. Once you get all those initial movements out of the way, either interlace your fingers on top of the knees. Don't cross the feet. If a box grip is available, try that. Lengthen the back of the neck by lowering the chin. Eyes can be closed as long as you maintain awareness of the present moment. Otherwise, hi Gator, try to keep the gaze open, soft, perhaps a small smile. Breathe in and out through the nose. This is a naturally calming breath. If you can imagine when you go running or when you're, let's say, nervous, don't even want to think about that now, right? Your breath shortens, but when you are calm, you breathe the way you are breathing right now. Place the left foot on the mat. Left knee is bent. We're going to bend or unbend and straighten. Unbend and bend the right leg just a few times. Don't worry about how straight you can get the leg. We're just opening it up. A little bit of flex point circles with the foot. Switch sides. Bring the left knee in. We're just moving the leg like it should move. Encouraging a good range of motion. Flex, point, and move the foot. Notice when it is most intensely, like if your leg is straight and you flex, that's a lot. If you point, that's less. Extend the legs, long arms reach overhead. Let the back arch, flex the feet. Exhale, stay where you are. How long can your exhale be? Bring the right heel to the right bottom corner of your mat. Left ankle is going to cross over the right. Lift up with the upper body and lean over to the right. Hold the left wrist with your right hand. Try to bring the left shoulder down toward the mat. You should feel a stretch all the way through the body. Or the left side of the body. The hands and the feet are on the same edge of the mat. Banana shape. Notice how a long breath helps to intensify what you feel on the left side of your body. Release any tension out of the body. I just noticed my left hand was a little stiff. Come back to through center and let's switch sides. So you might actually lift the upper body up and over, bring the left heel to the left corner, cross the right ankle over the left. Hold on to the right wrist with your left hand. Find where you need to be and breathe. Relax your jaw, relax your thoughts. Relax anything that is not assisting right now. That could be the same thing. My right hand is kind of tense. It could be that. It could be a thought. Your jaw. Just breathe. Lengthen out the breath and stay present. Don't let your mind wander. Let's come back to center. Bring the arms about shoulder width, palms face each other, arms reach overhead, feet about hip width. Let's flex the feet, pull the core in a little bit to try to flatten out the lower back and just reach. Breathe, pull in the stomach, gaze is soft. Release, sweep the arms down and around. Hug both knees in, nose to knees. Relax the head and the neck back down. One hand on each kneecap. Draw a circle in one direction with both knees. Feel a little circle of pressure move around the tailbone. The last one is that the same thing, the tailbone and the last spine bone switch directions. Shift your focus back to the breath. Hug the knees into the chest, nose to knees. And either roll to one side or rock up to a seated position. Cross your feet and sit up tall. Extend the right foot out, left foot is in toward the right thigh. And just sit up tall for a moment. You probably have to lean a little bit extra onto the right hip, so you can even just kind of gently push on the right hip for a moment. Left arm reaches up and over to the right. Make this a side body stretch and continue to breathe through the nose. Expression is soft. One more reach. And sit up. Let's switch out the legs. Right foot in, left leg out, and then give yourself that moment to kind of notice, like the right hip's down a little bit, so we can actually kind of lean on the left hand for a moment, not, too much pressure. We're not forcing anything. Sit up tall, right arm reaches up and over to the left. Make it a side body stretch, meaning we're not rotating, we are reaching from where we are already facing. And sit up. bring the left foot in. Inhale, or sit comfortably at this point. Inhale, reach the arms above your head. Bring the palms to touch. And then inhale again a little bit more as you unbend the elbows and reach. Longest exhale, lower your hands down to heart center. Stay seated upright. Place your hands on the knees and lower the right ear toward the right shoulder. Lift up, notice the center, and then tilt to the left. And lift. Look over the right shoulder. Don't bring your shoulders with you. Just turn the head and the neck. Look over your left shoulder. Center. Lift the chin. Look up. Middle. Lower the chin. Try not to shrug or slouch. And lift. Half or full circle. With the head and the neck in both directions. Don't feel attached to whatever you are used to doing. Try something new. Maybe a full circle sometimes. And just notice why or what makes you want the half or full. Sit up tall. Sit up taller again. Bring the palms to touch. Lower the shoulders away from the ears and really seal the palms. Try not to have a bubble. Inhale, let's close with a breath. Arms reach wide and overhead. Bring the palms to touch. One more breath in at the top. Long exhale. Lower your hands down to heart center or by your sides. Remember to trust your intuition. Deep down, you know what's good for you. And I am so grateful for your presence. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe, share. I will see you in my next video. Namaste.